Hello, Sean here with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. Up here on a church in the Windermere area, here with our owner Nick and the sales representative, the project supervisor for this job, Sean, also named Sean. I'm just walking the roof with everybody. We're here with the maintenance manager, the owners of the property, some people from the church, and we're just walking through everything. We're here with the AC company so we can all get on the same page of what we need to do. Let me turn this camera around a little bit and show you what we got going on. You can see I'm up here on the shingle section of the roof. Here's our little crew of everybody. We're going to be doing the shingle sections of the roof and all flat roofs you see on the octagon shape. Flat roofs here, there's flat roofs on the other side. Flat roof over there in the far end you can see. The only thing we're not going to touch is the metal roof. We've got these flat roofs, some porches on the front. We got a little bit here, there's a roof to my left. A lot of different sections here, so it's very important you have somebody that can handle something like this, knows what they're doing, can go through everything, hammer out all the details before we get the job started so we're not surprised by anything. One more angle, guys, here in the turret. Like I said, we're doing all this shingles, all these different flat roof sections, this big section up top. All this down here. The only thing we're not doing is the metal roof. A lot of work here. Very, very important to have a good roofing contractor that is experienced. This is not a job that your everyday roofer could take on. Lots of coordination between the AC companies, ourselves, our material suppliers, everybody.